LG announced two phones. Number one was LG Velvet and second was LG Wing. Hey guys, this is KRS. You are watching Tech. LG Wing. It is a crazy phone and it folding is different type as compared to the Samsung or different fold phones because it got a T-shaped style on it as we can see. Talking about the display in this phone, you'll be getting rotating display which LG call it as a P OLED display. It is of 6.8 inch and full HD plus display. Talking about the second display, as we flick the secondary display appears, it is LG called as the G OLED display. It is also full HD plus but it is 3.9 inch. Talking about the OS inside this phone, you will be getting Android 10 and with talking about the UI, you will be getting LG UX typical, I think 9 or 10 version, don't know properly. Talking about the performance, you will be getting Snapdragon 765G. It is a 5G processor with Adreno 620. We have also made the comparison, just check it out. Talking about the battery inside this phone, you'll be getting 4000 mAh battery with 25 watt. You'll be getting 50% charge in just 25 minutes. It also support wireless charging, which is amazing, and it will be supporting type C with 3.1. Talking about the security, you'll be getting under display fingerprint scanner. You'll be getting two storage options, which is 8 plus 128 and 8 plus 256, which UFS. Talking about the camera, it is an interesting scenario because it is a gimbal camera. You'll be getting three camera, means triple camera setup, which is of 64, 12 and 13. Talking about the primary camera, which is of 64, it is of 1.8 aperture. Talking about the ultra wide, it is of 1.9 aperture. And talking about the second camera, which is ultra wide, it is of 2.2 aperture. The camera quality of the red camera will be amazing because gimbal support and better quality at ultra wide will make phone interesting. Talking about the front camera, you will be getting 32 megapixel camera with 1.9 aperture. It is a pop-up camera, so yeah, pop-up mechanism. Talking about the video record, you will be getting backside 4K at 60 fps, and in front side you'll be getting 1080p at 30 fps. The second phone is LG Velvet, which is amazing in design but little bit pricier. This phone is IP68 certified, means it is water resistant phone. You'll be getting 6.8 inch POLED display with full HD plus resolution. Talking about the OS, you'll be getting Android 10 with LG UX 9. Talking about the processor, you will be getting Snapdragon 845, which is, we kind of say, old processor because 855 is launched and 865 is also launched, and there are also leaks that 875 might be launched in December. It is of Adreno 630. Talking about the battery, you'll be getting 4500 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charger in the box and wireless charging supported with 9 watt only. You'll be getting type C port and security, you'll be getting under display fingerprint scanner. Talking about the camera, you'll be getting 48 megapixel primary camera with 1.8 aperture. Second is 8 megapixel with 2.2, which is ultra wide, and third is 5, which is depth. It is of 2.4. Talking about the front camera, you will be getting 16 megapixel with 1.9 aperture, and video recording in the right side you will be getting 4K at 30 fps, and in the front side you will be getting 1080p at 30 fps. Talking about the colors, in LG Wing you will be getting Aurora Grey and Illusion Sky. In LG Velvet you will be getting black and Aurora Grey. Talking about these two phones are amazing, but especially LG Velvet, in some country this phone is 5G and it has 765 processor. I think 765 is 5G capable as compared to 845 because 845 is little bit old as compared to this, and it is also little bit pricier, and we have to pay separately if you want the dual mechanism. Talking about the wings, pretty excited because we can say in US and in India it is the similar price, and the specs are also similar as we can see. And yeah, there might be competition among the different phones, which is amazing. The pricing of these two phones will be mentioned in the description. Hopefully you like this video. If you enjoy, share among your friends, subscribe, click all on bell notification so you never miss any other updates. Stay tuned for more video.